What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we got ourselves a home run day. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into this video here. Today was a day where I wasn't sure what would happen in the overall market. I thought maybe we'd get some further downside on tech, on the SPY, or we would just chop sideways. And then on small caps, I wasn't expecting a whole lot because small caps have been like pre-market movers and then all-day faders, right? Like you might have one red to green move in the morning, then boom, fade, and then right before power hour, a big pop, maybe a new high, and then boom, get slammed back down. That's how small caps have been behaving a lot lately. So I wasn't really looking or expecting a whole lot out of small caps. So my main focus on the day was the overall market and, some big board stocks like Tesla, of course. Tesla is my babe. You know that. I've been just hammering Tesla for weeks now, and I've made a lot of good money on Tesla, both to the long side and both to the short side. So, that's the importance of being nimble as a trader, being diverse, not being biased to either side. It's like I've tweeted before, I don't consider myself, even though I mainly trade to the long side, I don't consider myself a long bias trader or a bull. And I definitely don't consider myself a short bias trader or a bear, right? I consider myself an opportunistic trader. Wherever the trend goes is where I want to put myself, right? Obviously, we're not going to be right all the time, but if we're right, more than we're wrong, we're going to make money. So the old tale, right? The trend is your friend. That's what I try to do. So today I sat down and I waited and wanted to see what would happen and where the opportunity would lie. So I think I have 2 recorded trades, okay? Took a total of 4 trades, I want to say today. 5 trades today, okay? And I'm well into the green on the day, home run day for me. So we're going to go over those trades here. I think I only was able to record 2 of them because the other ones are so fast. They weren't as short or slow as the first 2 trades were, right? So we're going to jump into those here. But before we do me the quick favor, guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and make sure to comment in the comment section below. When you do all of that, you feed the YouTube algorithm and we grow the channel. We only need like 400 and something more subs and we get 10,000 subscribers. And when we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're going to do that free raffle, that free giveaway actually, where one lucky subscriber is going to get a fully funded trading account for free. And we're going to do that when we get to 10K subs, which we're only like 400 some away. So I think we can get that done here pretty soon, but I need your help doing all of that. And if you don't mind, share the channel on your social media. Let your friends know about all the educational content we have on here, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into the very first live trade. Oh, well, you should look at that. I left my realized P&L up there. So if you hadn't seen it before, now you know I made $432 today. So let me try to grab the live trades here. So let's see here. Today's first trade, I believe, is this one. And I will make this smaller so it shows up on the screen. Boom, there we go. And let's see here. Is it this one? It does look like it's a trade. So we got one call. Okay, so I was actually, even though today I was looking for puts, the first play of the day and the second play were on calls. I saw this red to green move start to happen on Tesla, and I said to myself, okay, what am I expecting here? I said, I thought to myself, I'm expecting Tesla to maybe make a quick pop to like that 1445, 1450 area, and I'll show you why here on the daily. Well, that's not Tesla. This is MNOV. MNOV, guys, what a monster today. Look at this thing. Absolute beast of a stock. Look at this thing from 640s all the way to a high day of over $13. If this thing goes insane, gaps up tomorrow and squeezes, goes to like 15, 20 bucks, we might see finally small caps start to wake up and give us some tradable ranges that we can actually, safely trade versus just some weird momentum stuff, okay? So definitely keep an eye on this one into tomorrow after hours today. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing squeezes out in after hours. So now back to Tesla. So you can see the daily level I was looking at, okay? Now here we go, boom. So Tesla, the top of, yes, of Friday was in this 1470 area, but I was eyeing this same little area that I shorted on Friday and banked. If you don't remember, if you haven't seen it, Friday was a nice $2,000 day. It was all off of the back of this area right here. This previous top and that previous low right here between this 1430 to 1450 area, okay? So right out of that, you know, we made this red to green move. I said, you know what? We have a shot here, a real shot at 1445 to 1455, you know, quick pop. And I can get some calls there, scalp those, you know, for a couple points and start off the day nicely. And then if we set up a reject of that, we can ride it to the downside. So that was my thought process. So I'm in there, one call. Let's see here. I'm in at 30.45. The call is a $1,500 expiration 31st, so Friday strike. And that's it. I buy that right there. Boom. And I'm looking at add. I add there my second call. Okay, so my average is now 31.21, and I'm just looking to take some quick profits on these guys. I'm not looking to hold these for 10, 15, 20 minutes, you know, book another couple $1,000 because I just didn't think it had it in it. I didn't, but I figured it was good enough. I figured it was good enough for a quick $300, $400, $500, $600 winner, right? So we have good volume, you know, good, steady, increasing volume on this red to green move. And I'm just looking for that quick pop, okay? Looking for that quick pop. And right there I put one, oh, they already got filled. Okay, so right there I put one order out on the ask at $33, okay? And bang, that one gets filled right there. I'm like, bet, I'm already nicely in the money. I was super happy at that point. So now hold on to this one. And this one, I was really hoping would get that quick, you know, like big fat extension. But I'm like, I'm going to hold on to it. You know, I have a cushion here. I'm in on this one at 31.96. And let's fast forward this just a tad here. Right there, I start getting ready to put out an order on the ask at 34 bucks. You know, in case we get a quick little pop, I can take, you know, profit there, 34 bucks, and put that order out. Boom, get filled right there. Easy peasy, easy peasy. So right there, I was up on the day. What is that? 350 some odd dollars. Okay, so let's see what happens here. We get that quick pop right there. I was hoping we get that type of quick pop there, but earlier, then we really go look at that move. 36.40, those contracts are going off at my last take profit was at 34 bucks. So that was a shame. Right there and there, I was like, okay, well, maybe 1460 is going to reject, which as you can see is his previous top. We get all the way to 1460. But we start to break through. Look at that, all the way to 1470. Just a monster. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe gap fill to 1480. Maybe we can get short at 1480. Right there, boom, we tap 1480. Right there, we tapped that 1480. So I'm looking at all the levels. Let me see if I took a trade there. I really don't remember. Let me grab the next live trade for you. So I didn't catch that second live trade, guys, which is a shame. Okay, it's a real shame because it was trying to get it here. Is that 3-minute chart? Okay, so there we go. So we had that red to green move, you know, boom. And I actually got long again, I believe it was in here, and sold into this push. And wound up with a real nice day. I took a couple more trades, lost a little bit of money in the afternoon. And then as the day progressed, as we were squeezing up to new highs in here, I was able to grab right here in this consolidation, right here in this 1490 consolidation, I was able to grab a call and boom, on this big push here, took profit on it and wound up with a really, really nice day. So let me show you here my orders. So here are my orders. These are order statuses. There's just, you know, Tesla calls, boom, 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 just like as usual. You know, in at 30.45, out at 31.96, sold at 33. And I guess I sold there at 33 as well. I tried some other ones here, lost a little bit of money, and I'll show you all that. And took another one, lost a little bit of money. And then finally caught another one here in at 54.50, out at 56. Just a quick scalp. Just a quick scalp there. So now what I'll show you here is my realized gains. Realized gains right in here. And as you can see, first call of the day was my biggest win, 253 bucks. Then my next one was at 102 winner. Then I had a small loser, 12 bucks, another small loser, 33, another small loser of 27 bucks, keeping those losses really tiny. And then bang, another nice winner of 148 bucks, 150 bucks almost, putting me up on the day $432. That, as you know, my friends, is a home run for me, because anything $400 and over is a home run for me. It's a $400 day. I mean, $432 in a single day. That's great money. You know how many people work an entire week just to make that? Literally, they'll work from Monday to Friday to make 400 bucks. I did that in one day. We have to keep our profits in perspective. This keeps us grounded. This keeps us respecting our capital, both our capital in our account and our mental capital. Okay, just because I made almost $2,000 on Friday doesn't mean that today was going to be another $1,000 day. It could have very well been, had I expected such a move from Tesla, but I didn't, so I just looked for small scalps on it and wound up with a very nice day. It's been a great month, a good start to the week, let me tell you. Super happy with my performance once again. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Check out Webull, free stock trading app. Download the app, fund your account with $100 bucks. You get 2 free stocks, and I'll catch you on the next one.